Yeah, hello guys, welcome again to Preserve Trading. We've been away for a while, but we're back strong. So today I just want to take a look at the DXY chart, which is the US dollar currency index, and to have a peek and try to predict through analysis about the coming year 2023. To look at likely things to occur in next year, how the news are going to move and other things. Speaking about news, my academy will be hosting a seminar on news, to teach how to trade the news and make the most profit out of it. The seminar is going to be holding this weekend online on WhatsApp. So if you're interested, you can hit the description below. There's a WhatsApp link there to message the admins and to get registered for it, and we'd love to see you there. So now coming back to the DXY chart. Now looking at this, technically speaking, this is going for a bullish market. Like the thing is losing momentum. Though around October, September this year, when DXY reached historic high, when it started coming down, it was very, very bad for dollar. Almost every news was predictable to know that dollar was going to fall. Like it was just falling down, falling down. And you can see how it has slowed down. It has really, really slowed down. And you know, technically, like I said, this is just like the momentum is slowing down, preparing for a very strong bullish move. Even some people would try to say that this is like a gap in the market that has to be filled. The thing just has to fill this gap, and some people believe that, which is actually right in most cases. So now, looking at this, definitely is nothing much to say, but we all know that this is going to be bullish. So next year, we should just look at buying dollar strongly. I know definitely if dollar is going to buy, the US dollar index is rising, then anything slash USD, I mean Euro USD, GPP USD, and XAU USD, that's gold. All of them are going to fall. So that's basically what's going to happen, at least for the first few months next year. So that's going to at least experience a very strong, bullish move. Now, if you even look at it right from year 2020, year 2017, look at these two pivot points. You know, that's that's really showing a very strong resistance in the market. And we know most times when resistance turns support, the support is always very, very valid. Like, this was a resistance before for the market, then it broke the resistance and now it's acting as a support. So we know that most times, most of the time, the support is always very valid. I mean, it will always price will always get rejected when the market comes back to that place. So I can see the market is coming back to that place and it's kind of rejecting it, and I feel we should continue going like that for next year. So I don't really expect a bearish move for dollar next year. For the first few months next year, it should all be bullish. NFP news will be out first week of January. I think January 7th or 6th. January, I think January 5th or 6th. That's the first Friday in January. That's like the first major news for the year, first Friday. So I think that should really just push this thing up, and she expects good results. So like I said, this is the US dollar index. If it goes bullish, the Euro USD, GBP USD, anything that has slash USD is going to fall. Then USD CAD, USD JPY, those will buy. I know it also affects stocks. I was asked this question from somebody that, does this news and all these things on dollar, does it affect stocks? Yes, it does. It affects stocks, it affects crypto. Like they all anything that has USD to deal with it, like it affects it a lot. So is definitely just going to crumble all of them based on the fact that this will buy. So think that's all for now, and we'll be meeting frequently now. Like I'll be making more videos basically on that news. I would love to see you guys this weekend in the seminar. Seminar is online. To register, just hit the WhatsApp link in the description below and get registered.